Hello there, welcome to Quilt Block Studio by Sparrow Quilt Company. Today we are going to make the Whirlwind block. You are going to need 2 colors of fabric. We're going to need some rectangles in wisteria color. These are 9 3/8 long and 4 3/4 inches wide. We're also going to need a square of white. It's going to measure 7 1/4 by 7 1/4. The first thing you're going to do is cut this on the diagonal twice. That's going to give you 4 triangles. They all look like this. Be careful with them, that's bias edge on the inside there. Next, you're going to take your rectangles and you are going to cut off the top left corner at a 45-degree angle. Once you make that trim, it's going to look like this. Let's get that out of there. It's going to look like this. That triangle can go into your waste pile or your scrap pile. You will not need it for this block. Once you've got all your pieces cut out, you are going to take 1 wisteria piece and 1 triangle, and you are going to sew them together just like this. Line up this bottom corner and let the excess hang off up there. You're going to need 4 of these. Once you piece these all together, you're going to join them together in pairs. Join those 2 together, join these 2 together, and then join them together as a block. Once you've done that, you can make them with alternating colorways or make it on the reverse, and you can join together several to make a cool quilt like this. And that, my friends, is the Whirlwind block. Have fun!